The P.R.O Plus is a convertible mattress replacement system featuring our Pressure Redistribution Optimization technology, which can play a key role in pressure ulcer prevention and wound risk management. The P.R.O Plus easily converts from a passive, non-powered surface to an active, powered system by adding one of the control units to deliver effective alternating therapy for advanced offloading of pressures. The P.R.O Plus provides optimal interface pressures to create an effective wound prevention tool for at-risk patients as well as treatment for stage 1 and 2 pressure ulcers. The P.R.O Plus surface has optional width and length sizes, which provide added comfort. Additional width can also provide improved fall prevention. The surface is designed to meet pressure redistribution needs with a safe working load of 500 pounds. There are 2 available control units that attach to the surface. The ES2 control unit has 3 modes of operation: auto firm, therapy, and alternate. The CBC control unit has 2 modes of operation: alternating and static. To administer CPR, unplug the hoses of the control unit from the mattress located at the foot end of the bed. To resume therapy, reattach the control unit hoses to the mattress.